Report of the power outage in 灣仔 outage 你唔算 outrage 啊，冇 R。RAGE 係憤怒啊，呢個 outage 冇 R。停電啊。On 9th September 2008 at 11 to 3 a.m. there was a power outage in Western Wan Chai Commercial Center, 商業嘅 commercial, inside which six people were trapped. 一個被動句困住咗，被困 B 加 BP owing to 即係 due to 跟 phrase 㗎 owing to a locked fire exit 唔係 exit written by 一個複雜句構 PP 開頭 subject 未出㗎 written by some of the six victims. Pat Chan the following report details 係個動詞嘢喺度陳列出 what it was like 當時係點樣 to be caught up in this incident. Before the outage, as scheduled, two other candidates and I arrived at ABC Musical Company office on the 5th floor at around 10:45 a.m. 留意 A 點 M 點啊，學校寫錯，但係我哋唔會寫錯。Audition for a part-time role in musical drama. We were instructed 同樣一個被動句，被指示 to wait in the office while two directors were preparing for the interview. The outage. 11 a.m. things started to go away. 即係開始奇怪古怪怪。While I was 通常 while 係搭長句子 be 加 ing。Past continuous 再搭一個先冇 past。如果用 when 嘅話，通常兩個先冇 past。While 記住過去時空做緊係 was were 跟 ing。The lamp and light went dim as we attempted 嘗試，即係 try 比較 formal 啲嘅 tone。Attempted to sort things out. The electricity was cut off 被動句 and all light was extinguished 同樣呢個被動句 since 即係 as 唔一定係解自從啊，可以當因為咁用 since the office only had a blocked cement casement 指一啲推嘅窗，你當一種 window 就得㗎啦 casement。We were clothed in a complete darkness， 被包圍，被完全嘅黑暗包圍咁咪即係好漆黑一片咯。The directors, candidates and I immediately 即係 at once 啦，立刻。不過 at once 通常就唔會擺呢個位 ，at once 擺句尾嘅 ，immediately 可以擺動詞前面。I immediately rushed to the front door to attempt to escape. Yet 但係你唔中意用 yet 可以用 however。The entrance was sealed by 同樣一個被動句。被封住咗啊 by an automatic door with an encrypt password， 即係要 password 先撳得嘅。Without electricity, it malfunction。function 係正常 ，malfunction 係唔正常，動詞嚟嘅，唔正常運作。We then immediately took a detour 兜路啦 to the emergency fire exit on the other side of the office. However， 佢呢度用咗 yet， 下次唔用 yet， 用 however。少少生字嘅變化 ，given 由於名詞詞組 ，given the extremely limited visibility, we had to crawl our way through many obstacles 即係障礙 ，and with the guidance，with 係跟 phrase 嘅，見唔見到 phrase？the guidance of the exit light。We groped for the fire exit on the way to 後邊都係跟 phrase 嘅。On the way to the exit, however, one of the escapees sustained injuries 受傷 sustain injuries sustain 係個動詞嚟嘅。When she stumbled on a pile of staples, and that had fallen 一個 past perfect， 佢受傷因為嗰啲釘書釘已經跌咗落嚟，早過 simple past 記得用 past perfect。During the chaos 係混亂嘅時候 ，responding 同樣一個複雜句構，一個 PP form present， 呢個係 present participle subject 未出㗎。Responding to a desperate yell, we successfully sought a first aid kit right away from the pantry just in the vicinity， 即係附近，即係喺嗰個附近嘅 pantry 裏邊揾到個 first aid kit。While the injured 受傷嘅人，即係嗰個人啊。was being tended to and bandaged 包紮傷口 bandaged by two escapees and the rest of us proceeded 繼續去揾 look for the assets。你見唔見到好多複雜句子啊？ PP 開頭 ，PP 開頭，等陣再講。複雜句子會令到篇文緊張啲。As we arrive at the exit, we fumble for the handle and push the door only to realize that it was locked. 被動句啦有。In a search of panic, I immediately effort 善用 contacted the police for extraction squad without any means 冇方法逃走，同樣係一個 short phrase。長短句構已經係一個好好嘅變化，唔需要好多心字。We sat and waited in desperation for an hour 響音啊 hour before the fire service rescued us from the building. Rescue 通常跟 from。Aftermath. There were no casualties in this incident. 通常 incident 都係冇 casualties 嘅 accidents 就通常有 casualties. A minor injury resulted from being hurt by the stables. It was later reported that 同樣一個被動句 The office tenant 租客 The bridge the regulations by locking 之前我講過 by 同 through 跟 ing 又用啦 by locking the fire exits and blocking them with loss of obstacles.However， 試下讀呢一段俾我聽先。However 之後我先解句構，唔該，翻 outrage 嗰度。However， 3、2、1 ，However， fire exit roped on the way to the exit.Injuries when she stumbled on a pile of staples. Then here, responding to好 stop 呢度講過複雜句子啊嘛。嗱 PP 有兩種嘅。好，首先我再講翻點解要形成複雜句子。形成複雜句子係因為我想兩句變一句，我中間可以用連接詞，我中間可以唔用連接詞。舉例，我愛你兩句。I give you a present， 因為我愛你，所以我送份禮物俾你。呢度我冇用連接詞，有兩個動詞，直接將呢兩句拼做一句，取消一個動詞，因為 share subject，我可以寫 loving you。Come on， I give you a present。而家動詞剩翻一個 present participle， 呢個唔係 gerund 啊，呢個叫 present participle。呢個 subject 係做呢個動作嘅，所以我哋用 present participle。PP。我俾你鬧，所以我喊。被加 PP 本身 I am scolded。被加 PP by you。Full stop I cry。Full stop 兩句兩個動詞。睇住我兩個，我可以咁樣寫 being scolded I cry。或者 scolded by you I cry。本身 be 加 PP 呢個 PP 係 present participle， 我可以直接將呢個 be ing 佢，亦都可以取消咗呢個動詞佢，留翻個 PP。但係無論我點做都好，動詞只得一個，同樣 share subject。明唔明我講緊啲乜嘢啊？點解要將兩句駁一句啊？我講咗第一，我哋要製造長短變化，即係變化。 永遠唔係我開頭，我有個變化喺度，我要引個考官，我引對方望個 subject，有陣時喺後邊，有陣時喺前邊，會揾翻個 subject 出嚟。第一，第二，我要慳字，明唔明我講乜？第三就係有陣時唔記得個 tenses 點串，我唔記得咗個 tenses 嗰個字點串，我就避開佢，我唔犯錯，明唔明我講乜？而當有變化嘅時候，你睇篇文就冇咁悶。另外呢篇文用咗好多連接詞，嗰啲連接詞係突然之間出現，有陣時開句，有陣時喺句子中間，會令到你繼續想睇呢一篇文。所以記得複雜句子就係二拼一 ，PP 開頭，記住同一個 subject，得唔得？另外好啦，今日有好多被動句，又想再講 be 加 PP 啊。我成日都講 be 加 PP 係一個句式，唔係一個 tenses。我試下轉晒所有唔同嘅 tenses，盡量4、5個啦嚇。本身係我飲茶，咁即係茶俾我飲啦。咁即係 tea is drunk by me，right？個 agent 唔重要取消啦，所以 tea is drunk。咁 simple past my tea was drunk。Present perfect my tea has been drunk。咁 simple future tea will be drunk。而家飲緊咁嘅 tea is being drunk。Past perfect my tea had been drunk。Past continuous my tea was being drunk。本身被動句係 be 加 PP 啊嘛 ，be 係第一類動詞，你咪喐個 be 咯 ，be 加 PP，be 加 PP。好啦，跟住去到 has have 加 PP，has have 加 PP，跟住 be 加 PP 本身啊，跟住 had 加 PP，你就直接攝多一粒字喺中間就得㗎啦，攝多一粒字喺中間。Has been, will be, is being, have been, was be。呢度就係唔同 tenses 個被動句可以揾翻個 be 出嚟，就可以轉到唔同 tenses。而由於 T 係個數唔到名詞啊，所以我要用翻單數嘅動詞。被動句成組諗一句，作晒唔同 tenses 俾我，跟住我呢個次序，唔該。希望今日幫到你，係咁先，拜拜。